in underhand opposite hip reel and bring it to underhand butterfly in the front, and then drop stall. And then we're gonna take the left hand, bring it down, and then the right hand, I want you to come into underhand and go bottom to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, and 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more, and then down, and then the left one coming from underhand on the bottom and top and bottom and top and bottom, top and bottom, and 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Put your left one down there, your right one up top. They're both in underhand, split time. It'll look a little something like this. And then you're gonna switch your hands. So to switch your hands, you're gonna bring them to the right side, and then you're gonna bring them to the left side, and then to the right side, to the left side, to the right side, to the left side, and the right, and the left, 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 and bring it back down into underhand butterfly, then back into the hip reel, and then we're going to come to the butterfly again in the front, then bring your right hand up, and then 5, 6, 7 to the right, and then to the left, to the right, 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 to the left, 4 more, right, left, 3 more, right, left, last 2, and last 1. Come back down to the underhand butterfly, go into the hip reel, and then bring it up to the pinwheel. And then we're gonna do extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, and left, and right, and left, and right, back down to the butterfly, back to the hip reel, come back to the butterfly, bring the right hand up, and 5, 6, 7, and to the right, to the left, 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 bring it back down into butterfly, come back into the hip reel, come back into the butterfly, and then bring it back up to the pinwheel, extension right and left, and right, left, right, left, right, left, come back down to the butterfly, and drop stall. Now we're gonna turn to the left, step your right foot forward as both poi come up and over the top, and drop stall again. We're gonna do that again. You're pivoting on the left foot, coming up, over, and down. So the 2 arms come up and over, and you come back down, bringing the poi through the drop stall. Up and over, drop. Up and over, drop. Up and over, drop. Up and over, drop. Let's ignore the turn for a second, and let's just do the static version of the drop stalls. So here, and then both over the top, 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 and stall, and stall, and stall, and stall, and stall. When your right hand is in the back and your left hand is in the front, if you step forward with your right foot, and as you step forward, you bring your right arm, you bring both arms up and cross them and then come down. So you're stepping in with the right foot as the arm comes with it. And the left one will move the other way. You turn the other way and you push forward with the right foot and you step again, turning. So you do the exact same thing every single time. Boom, step, boom, step, drop, step, drop, step, drop. You're here with your right arm back. Both arms come up and over, and then your right foot's in front. Then you look the other way. Then both arms come up, over, step, then look the other way. Up, over, step, look the other way. Up, over, step, look the other way. And you're turning left every time, looking left, and stepping into it. I don't know how comfortable you look like you're feeling with just doing the step, this. One of the things that you can do to have it look like it's not bobbling as much is to immediately pull it back up. So if you sit here a longer period of time, it'll bobble more in my experience. And then come back to your front here, go into an underhand opposite butterfly, back to the underhand opposite hip reel, and then butterfly, and then angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel. Bring it down, bring your left hand out. We're gonna do the 4-petal flower. Left goes back, right goes front, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. 2 more, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last one. And then we're gonna do the reverse. We'll go into the anti-spin and back, up, front, and down. I'm doing the right hand. Back, up, front, and down. Back, up, front, and down. Back, up, front, and down. Leave it down here. And then we're gonna come back into the butterfly, then turn right, and turn right again, and go all the way around, coming back to the right side. And your left hand should be underhand, right is overhand. We'll do the 4-petal in spin. So sides, up, sides, down. Remember, left goes front, right goes back, up, sides, down. Third set, sides, up, sides, down. Last set, sides, up, sides, down. Now do the anti-spin, so bring the left one back, right one front, and come around 2nd time, come around 3rd time, come around 4th time, bring it down, turn left, come into the butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel, butterfly, angel. Now come to butterfly, now drop stall. Now we're gonna do that turn again. We're gonna go around 4 times. So we go 1, step and turn, 2, step and turn, 3, step and turn, 4, step and turn, and you're facing where you started. And now we're gonna go into an overhand butterfly and thread the needle.